Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful tote bag. The final measurement is 15 inches for the height and 14 inches for the width. You need a canvas material, a pair of scissors, a pen, a tape rule and a ruler. This material has white pattern at the edges which I'll be trimming off. So for this bag, I'll be working with a height of 34 inches. And a width of 15 inches. I'm measuring the height again to ensure I have an accurate measurement. I do the same for the width to ensure I also have an accurate measurement of the width. So I measure 15 inches in multiple places and connect them before cutting out my bag measurement. For the handle, I'll be working with 3 inches for the width and 26 inches for the height. So I'll be cutting out two of these measurements. These are the materials we'll be working with. The next thing to do is to stitch the fabric on both ends. Remember to back stitch at the beginning and end of the stitches to prevent the stitches from losing. For the handle, I folded one of the edges by 0.25 inches and I pinned the folds to put them in place. I'm repeating the same step for the other end of the handle by folding it by 0.25 inches and pinning it to the other end of the handle. The next thing I did was to stitch both handles. I also had to do zigzag stitches at the edges of the material to prevent it from fraying. Then I trimmed off the detached wool. As you can see, after doing the zigzag stitches, the material stopped fraying. I just had to trim off the ones that had frayed before I did the zigzag stitches. To fix the handle, I measured 4 inches from each end of the material. Then I positioned my handle directly at 1 inch from the top of the bag. I also ensured my handle was straight and not twisted before fixing it at the other end of the bag. I measured 2 inches and made another fold on both sides of the bag. Then I stitched the folded part round. I had to use a pin to fix the handle to the bag so it doesn't move from its position. And I did that for all four sides. I also stitched the down parts. Then I folded the bag in out and did cross stitch on four sides of the handles to ensure they are securely attached to the bag.